will have to attend a lot of events, tech or social, and you are living in a busy city like New York City or San Francisco, there are so many events happening around, and you don't want to miss out on good ones. There are many different event platforms like Eventbrite, Luma, Meetup.com, and it's hard to keep track of events across all different platforms. So I built Event Match, which aggregates events from different sources, including my inbox, where I do get event information through newsletters and other emails. So it sources all these events from different sources, curates based on my preferences, and provides me with top 10 events. Here you can see these are my preferences: AI workshops, art showcases, social gatherings around Bay Area, and these are the top 10 picks. The cards show some basic information. They are scored based on the relevance to my preferences, and also show other date and cost and other information. I can open any of them, look at more details, and then click on register now to open to the event page and register. So beyond the default view, I can also talk to concierge agent and ask for different kinds of events, and I will get back different set of events matching my new query. You can also see here that some of them have busy. I have my calendar integration, so I can see immediately if I have conflicts with any of these events. So going back to the project details, we've web coded this using anti-gravity. We use Gemini 3.5 Flash and agent development kit. It has a couple of different agents, and we have used spec event development, which means that we started with the product requirements document and then developed a high level design based on the requirements document, and then used that high level design to create a spec for developing the app, all using anti-gravity. And then based on this in this spec, anti-gravity has started developing this app, and this is the high level architecture, which has this integrations with Google OAuth and Gmail, Calendar, and so on. And this is the workflow design. There are different functions that happen, and the two agents here are preference extractor and vibe ranker. And yeah, there are multiple integrations, and we also included a bunch of tests. I would love to end with how this experience has been for us. Vibe coding is definitely very exciting and useful, what we can do over a weekend, but it's also very frustrating. A lot of back and forth, fixing the same kind of issues again and again. You fix one thing and the next thing, and then when you fix the second bug, the previous bug resurfaces and so on. A lot of that things happens, and what we learned is you really need to spend more time during the spec development stage and the test development stage. Carefully review AI's output and make sure that it includes exactly what you want the application to be and what it needs to be tested against. If you have that in a very good shape, then there will be fewer back and forth with agent during the development process. Thank you.